Welcome to Rustbuster Framework's installation guide for Ford's 1992 to 1996 F-150. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Our part features perforated plates that can be removed to allow the part to fit around the rivets of the nearby transmission crossmember. If you are not replacing the crossmember, remove these plates at this time. Otherwise, you will need to remove the crossmember by torching and punching out the retaining rivets, and use the kit's included hardware to reinstall it. Step 3. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Followed by coating the work area with a well-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Push this section onto the frame rail, and with the included hardware, secure this section to the frame using the punched-out rivet holes. Doing so will ensure the part is both aligned properly and fitted tightly to the frame for welding. Step 4. Remove any potential fire hazards from the work area. Following proper welding procedures, weld 100% around all edges of the frame section. Coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, reinstall your transmission crossmember, and you're done.